Sup guys, let's do this. What is up you guys, Claudio back again with another reaction. This time we have something a bit different. It's called A Ride on the Roof of the Metro Train. And right after that, I guess it says the same thing, but in... This has to be Cyrillic. This is Russian, I think. I think it's Russian. And yeah, I ride on the roof of the metro train. I don't know. This is some crazy stuff for sure. Suggested by. He thought that we should check it out, so let's. All right, let's get it. Okay. Okay. So how is he gonna do this? Okay. Oh, there's someone there. Fucking music. Alright, what's up, man? All right.
Thoughts?
Yeah, okay, man, this was interesting. Oh, and I can see that this guy also, oh, he's one of them climbers, I guess. Like, you know, they climb on high buildings and hang off of there and stuff like that. Okay. A thrill seeker for sure. That's cool. Why do they always have to put that fucking music though? That is always the same type of music whenever I see a video like this. It's pretty strange. Anyway, he he got some balls, I'll tell you that, for doing that. A lot of this stuff on YouTube nowadays, it's funny until people start dying, I guess. We saw, when was that? It was a while back. I saw a video of people hanging out of buildings and stuff like that. And we saw one of the guys fell from a pretty high building. So I guess he died. But yeah, you know, that happens, I guess. Okay, this was interesting. Thank you for the suggestion. Also, let me know in the comments section below. Have you ever done something like this? Let me know. Do you think is this a good thing? Am I just being fucking old and boring and not adventurous enough, or is this a cool thing to do? I want your honest opinion. You don't have to. I'm not taking sides. I'm just saying. I just want to know. So if you have an opinion on this, just leave it below and let me know what you think. I check all the comments. Sometimes I do reply when I have time. And yeah. Alright guys, take care and I see you in the next one.